In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create specific date or contact date property workflows in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your automation tab. And once you click on it, click on workflows. It will show you all of the workflows that you have so far, and you can also create a new one if you would want. So under this case, let's proceed to create a workflow. Click on this create workflow. You can either start from scratch, from template, or with AI. So just choose one that is contact based. Let's choose right here from template. Let's head over and click on this use template. Just create and manage this workflow and select the enrollment triggers. And then after this, you can choose a date property for this, such as contact date as well as custom date. You can set the specific date that you want to that and then add actions like sending emails, setting properties, and the likes. Once you're done with this, you can review and publish this workflow once you're done. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.